Okay, Outre Melted Hairline Collection. Can we get into this hairline, honey? Yes, Outre. Killing the game once again, you guys.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Man, never think of what we could've been. Nah. You wanna be a nigga, then you better be a star. Bad faith, I don't feel the love yet. Left a bad taste, nigga, have you had enough yet? Better be a god, cause he's even enough's a tough test. See you with the situation, left you with a gut check. We need a revolutionary upset. Did the luminary do the drugs yet? I don't think we living in a love fest. They only wanna hug around a cut neck. Fuck the peace, we don't need it. Hold your peace and hold secret. Rest in pieces, need Jesus. Cease the bleaching our features. Look for it, but ain't seen it. Decency. They're yelling, fuck a nigga origin. You niggas asking for some more again. So who you fighting? Cause there's more of them. We're asking, how are you rewarding them? They're yelling, fuck a nigga origin. You niggas asking for some more again. So who you fighting? Cause there's more of them. We're asking, how are you rewarding them?
I quit holding my tongue because the blood died young. So I must be my true to there's no air left in my lungs. I'm an antisocial butterfly, intoxicated in a solitude where I reside. I'm an empathetic passerby, identified with all the hurt the air's occupied. The strangers sing me all the troubles like a lullaby. They swallow sorrow as I pouring out a genocide of negativity and draining me of every vibe. Pushing aside because my pride seemed to running high. You see, I try to help a human any way I can. So when they gravitate, they the light that I disband. I spread my wings and they begin to understand. Strong exterior, living in a world where I've been made to feel inferior. Looking in the mirror, knowing who I am, inferior to judgment, making figure nothing.
They yelling, fuck a nigga origin. You niggas asking for some more again. So who you fighting? Cause there's more of them. We're asking, how are you rewarding them? They yelling, fuck a nigga origin. You niggas asking for some more again. So who you fighting? Cause there's more of them.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre Melted Hairline Collection. I'm wearing it in the style Antonella and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction, your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. This one does also come with an elastic band. It does come pre-plucked with HD lace in the center part. It also does come with baby hair. So girl, let's just get into this hairline, because we know that Outre is known for the melted hairline, girl. So yes. So the density on this unit is definitely on the fuller side. I did fluff it out a little bit. And the density on this fluffed out, I want to say is about 180, girl. It's a lot of hair. But not fluffed out, I still want to say it's sat around 150%. This definitely is a good amount of hair, but it is still lightweight on my head. The texture on this unit is more so on the drier side. The quality of the hair does not feel bad at all, but it definitely does feel a little bit drier. I did get some snags here and there, and I did get a little bit of shedding, but it wasn't anything too crazy, so definitely keep that in mind. The cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. If you do have a larger size head, I feel like you possibly could get away with wearing this one, but just know I did not adjust straps or anything at all on this unit, and it is already fitting my head pretty nicely. The cap does seem like there's a little bit of stretch in there, but not too much, so I do think if you do have a larger size head, you should err on the side of caution. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees. So let me just show you guys the length on this one. This one is coming just above my boob, so it's not super long, which I like. And as you guys can see, so this unit, like I said, does come with just this center defined parting. So I did just want to give you guys a different look, show you guys that the fact that it's plucked in the front does allow for versatile styles, even though it is only a center part. So I definitely do love the fact that even though Outre does offer us units that only have a singular part, they do make the hairline nice enough that we could try to get away with different styles. So this unit is right out of the box, but I just wanted to show you guys how I actually maintain my curly unit. So first what I do is I get a little spray bottle like this. I picked this up from Amazon. It's one of those continuous mist spray bottle from Amazon, and normally what I do is just mix a bunch of the products that I normally use. So one of the things I use the most of is going to be leave-in conditioner. So specifically with my curling units, I mix the leave-in conditioner, I mix the detangler. This is the one that I use by Cantu. I also mix some foaming mousse, and I mix hair moisturizer and hair cream, and then I just mix it with the water and spray that bad boy in there. And I know the results will probably look better now than they would if the unit was way older, but I just want to show you guys, like, as you can see, it's taking the water very nicely, honey, and it's giving me that softness that I wanted. So now I got it spritz in there. I'm just gonna go with my fingers, and not too much, but just finger comb the product into the hair, girl. So this process is honestly super short. There's not really many products that I use to maintain this. Like I said, you're just going to want to use some sort of moisturizer. You're going to want to use a detangler. You're going to want to use some sort of leave-in conditioner. And then, of course, the foaming mousse and any additional products that you want to add in there are definitely up to you. It's all about preference. And then, of course, just mixing the water in there. And so the next thing that I go in with, and my final product, is just going to be the Simply Stylin' Light Silk Spray, which is a silicone-based spray. So, and I do, what I really like about the spray is the fact that it brings out the texture in the hair, makes it feel softer. Yes, honey. So this hair is getting big, you guys. It's still cute though, and I feel like the curls are a little bit more defined after I initially went in and finger combed it out. Get these curls popping back out, honey. Yes. So if you were gonna sleep in a curly unit, one of the things I definitely would recommend you doing before you wrap it up is to just section it off into multiple ponytails. For me, I would probably do just 2 low ponytails. So now that I have it in the 2 ponytails, what I would do is, depending on the curl pattern, sometimes I'll do a normal braid, but if the curl pattern is sort of a tighter curl pattern, then I'll just do a 2-strand big twist. And then when I have that all twisted up like this, I would just wrap it around into a bun. You can get another ponytail holder and hold the bun in place. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Now that I have it ponytailed into place, I would just put on my bonnet on, and that's it. And depending on the unit itself, if the texture is still dry when you wake up, when you do take it out, I definitely would recommend just spritzing it down a little bit more with that water mixture, or just leave-in conditioner, whatever is your preference. And girl, you'll be good to go. And this is my go-to, honestly, for maintaining my curly synthetic units, honey. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. I honestly don't really think I have any cons with this unit, but I feel like for the price point, it is a little bit high. I know we're likely paying for the hairline over everything, but like I said, the quality of the hair is not bad, but I feel like for that price point, the texture should be maybe like a little more soft. It just seems like this price point is a bit high for just a hairline without any additional parting space. But like I said, it is versatile. So I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say there's many cons on it. I just feel like the price point on this one is a little bit too high for me, and especially like I said for the texture. Because this one definitely does not seem like it's gonna last a long time. I feel like even if you cut it down, just the texture itself is more on the frizzier, yaki side. So I don't see this one lasting super long, and I don't see this one being an everyday unit. I more so see this one as a special occasion unit, just because I feel like you can get longer wear out of it doing that versus wearing it every day. So my pros on it are, as always, I really do like the hairline. I like the fact that you're able to get different styles going, for the fact that the hairline looks very nice. I like the fact that it's HD lace. I like the look, and the curls are super pretty. I mean, all in all, I feel like this is just a cute unit. Would I pick it up again? Probably not. I feel like I would rather spend the extra money to just get a frontal, honestly. This kind of has reminded me of the Outre Antonella unit, so I feel like I would probably stray more towards a unit like that than I would for this one, just because I feel like the price point is kind of a bit high for me, and if I'm paying that amount of money, I would rather get a frontal versus just a singular parting. But if you're somebody who doesn't really need the extra lace to do different styles with, I definitely would recommend this one, because like I said, even though you do just get this singular parting, you are able to do various styles with it, just because the hairline is looking pretty nice, honey. So that's honestly all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.